girls who were in their early 20s, and both of them at some point or the other worked for what they call as the Tupperware parties. These are parties basically where women bring a big tub of sex toys and have like a pajama night or something like that, and they're trying to sell these to the other women. And both of them have been involved in that. So even though most of our couples were actually couples or somehow involved in some sort of sexual/romantic relationship, it did not have to be that way. It was like, you know, the two friends just came in, it was their work, they have worked together, and they just started talking about it. So that's the second question. The first question is actually, as I said, it's 100% not completely clear in my head, but there are definitely differences which I see. First, just to begin with, is that there's this question was raised again in Nordica last year while I presented there, was this notion of, you did this, now why don't you go ahead and contact the actual users of I Just Made Love, so you can actually know why they did what they did. So there's this assumption of there is a truth underlying beneath it, and we need to somehow figure it out. And the difference, in my opinion, is that I'm neither denying nor acknowledging the fact that there is a truth underneath. This is why I'm kind of Foucauldian in this perspective, because it's like the surface is all there is. Like, you know, what gets acted out and what gets seen is what we need to focus on, because that is all that is visible, and that's the B&G sort of the thing, is that we not ask what it means, we'll see what it can do. So in a way, it is an intentional rhetorical move, but the reason which you raised also signals to me there are areas where that distinction is not very clear. And I don't know if it is because of the fact that I am not theoretically clear, or because that situation